This is the set of ratchets that you're gonna get. So you're gonna get all three of these. These are 3/8. You got 1/4, and you got a 1/2 inch here. So these are 90 teeth gear here. They are very smooth. They sound great. They're heavy duty. They're quick release. So look at that. Pretty simple to do. You can do it with one hand. You can switch directions right on the head here. So if you're looking for some ratchets, these are good ones. You work on cars, tinker on them, definitely get you some of these ratchets.